Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google BigQuery datasets with scheduled exports step by step clearly. To backup Google BigQuery datasets through scheduled exports, start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section in the console. Locate the dataset you want to backup in the Resources pane on the left. Click on the dataset to open its details. Select the Export option in the Dataset Details menu. Choose your preferred export format, either CSV or JSON. In the Destination field, enter a cloud storage URI for the export. Ensure you have a Google Cloud Storage bucket set up to receive the exported data. Click Export to initiate a one-time export of the dataset to the specified location. Once the export is complete, confirm that the data is present in your cloud storage bucket. To create a scheduled export, return to the BigQuery console. Click on the Scheduled Queries option found in the left-hand menu. Click the Create Query button to open the query editor. Enter in SQL query to export the dataset, including the cloud storage URI for the export location. Use the export data statement along with your desired export format. Set the frequency of the scheduled export using the Frequency drop-down menu. Choose the desired scheduling interval, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the start time for the scheduled job. Review the job details to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click the Schedule button to save and activate your scheduled export. Monitor your scheduled queries in the BigQuery console to ensure successful execution. Check the specified cloud storage location after each scheduled run to confirm that backups are being created as expected. Adjust the scheduling settings as needed based on your data management strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.